Here are our 5 top things your business needs to stop doing now if you want to have long-term success. Number 1, stop making business decisions without running detailed financial projections. Many business owners make decisions based on their gut instinct, as they know their products and their market so well. However, unless you run detailed projections, you won't know critical information for making a decision, like pricing, break-even points, and return on equity. Armed with this information, you can make unbiased, informed decisions. Number 2, stop buying a property unless you're a property developer. Property takes a huge amount of capital, either upfront or borrowed. Either way, that capital could have been deployed in your business to make you more money rather than tied up in property. Number 3, stop giving family and friends discounts. It's not your business's job to give your family and friends a leg up. All this does is distort your gross profit margins, make analysing your financials tricky, and if you ever want to sell your business, it will reduce your sale price. Just stop now and find other ways to help your family. Number 4, stop giving customers 30-day payment terms. I have no idea why this behaviour continues today. Unless your customer asks for it, payment terms of 7 days are totally fine. This means you have cash in your bank account 23 days earlier. Multiply that by most of your customers and your bank balance will be much healthier. Remember, if a customer is new or struggling, ask for payment up front. And lastly, and the most controversial, number 5, stop taking money out of the business for your own wants instead of reinvesting it in your business to make more money. Do you really need that fancy car, the extra holiday, the designer handbag? Whatever the reason is, making lifestyle purchases that come for your business is a bad idea. Pay yourself a wage or a set dividend amount and reinvest the rest. Over time, this will shore up your business's balance sheet, give you more opportunities to grow your business, and position it to hand to future generations or for sale in the longer term.